Hello, I have 동방신기 or Tohoshinki's first live tour 2006, Heart, Mind and Soul. Oh gosh, many years ago, but I finally have it. Okay, so let's unbox this. This is the Taiwan edition, which is why the sticker looks like this. So I'm just gonna take off the plastic first, open it up a bit here so I can slide it out. Ooh, the OB is coming with the plastic. There we go. So, a giant OB strip indeed. Here we go. The front and the back. Ooh. Contents of the DVD right here, as well as down in the description, as always. Oh, there is a photo book. Yay! I wasn't sure. You never know. But, oh, has texture to it. Really pretty. It kinda seems like when you have a you paint by dotting on the paint sponge. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Irrelevant. Okay. So here we go. The Photobook. Okay, since it's the Japanese edition, we gotta have this. Since it's the Taiwan edition, does it say Japanese? It's the Taiwan edition of this Japanese DVD. So yeah. Oh gosh, such a long time ago now. After all, it was 동방신기 that got me into K-pop in the first place. Just the memories are flooding back. That was it. Oh, quite thick pages actually. Alright. Oh, gosh. Going back to memory lane with this one. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye.